What's up guys, here we are with another video. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 battery of approximately 5000 mAh. There's a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The approximate price of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is $300. It is an upcoming smartphone that will have the foldable phone technology. This smartphone is expected to come with 12GB of RAM memory up to 512GB internal storage. This smartphone is expected to come with 12GB of RAM memory and up to 512GB internal storage. The smartphone supports wireless charging and equipped with 5000 mAh battery capacity. The phone is available in various colors. Leak has tipped Samsung's next foldable phone for some major upgrades. The Galaxy Fold 2 will boast a larger 7.7 inches foldable display with an impressive 120Hz refresh rate, which is totally amazing. The report, based on a leaked infographic, claims that the Fold 2's foldable OLED screen will be protected by a layer of hardy ultra-thin glass rather than the plastic of the original. It also gets an elegant punch-hole camera design rather than the fairly ugly notch of the first Fold. Robustness aside, the Galaxy Fold 2 will reportedly also get a larger external OLED display stretched from 4.6 inches to 6.2 inches, making it easier to browse the internet without having to open the device. According to the leaks, Samsung Electronics will probably not include an S Pen with the Galaxy Fold 2. The launch of the first generation Galaxy Fold back in 2019 didn't exactly go to the plan. The 7.3 inches bendy screen on some early samples was faulty and the device earned mixed reviews. Since then, Samsung has upped its game and unveiled a cheaper, sleeker foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display. So could the foldable 2 be a case of third time's charm? Samsung seems to think so. The reports the South Korean tech giant is aiming to build 3,000 Galaxy Fold 2 devices a month and sell around 3 million in a single year. Samsung is set to officially unveil the cutting-edge smartphone alongside the Galaxy Note 20 series on 5th of August at its next Galaxy Unpacked event. We may have a date in mind to unveil the Galaxy Fold 2, and we might even know the day the phone go on sale. If the latest rumors prove true, the phone maker could stick to August for a viral Unpacked event and sell the device later in the month. While most of what we know about the Galaxy Fold 2 is unconfirmed, Samsung has made at least one thing clear: the world's largest phone brand is introducing its next foldable phone, the third after the original Galaxy Fold and the Galaxy Z Flip. The company made the statement in April. In the same breath, it said that another Galaxy Note, presumed to be the Galaxy Note 20 I guess, is also in the lineup. Talking about Jon Prosser's tweet, he says that the phones for the Samsung's virtual Unpacked event in the August 5th, we'll be seeing the phones Note 20, the Fold 2 and the Z Flip 5G. The major question: will the Galaxy Fold 2 be waterproof? Water resistance is standard free among premium smartphones, but the nature of the hinge and the price made it impossible for the first value of foldable phones to take advantage of waterproofing technologies. Samsung told us at the time the original Galaxy Fold launch. What Max Winbat says is that there's a rumor, and keep in mind that this is a rumor. Samsung will be releasing a Galaxy Fold for $1,100, Fold E for $1,100. They are also working on releasing 3 folds, 2 with plastic, 1 with UTG. Could explain the winner 2 versus Jamco. The larger screen is set to follow the Galaxy S20 with a 120Hz screen refresh rate, while the smaller screen will top out at the default 60Hz screen. The faster refresh rate makes scrolling, navigation, and some games run extremely smooth, but it can also drink up battery life at a faster rate. It's likely that the Fold 2's 120Hz screen setting would be an opinion option for the typical 60Hz rate default as it is on the S20 phones. What Rossian says is the Galaxy Fold 2 leaks main display are that the size will be 7.59 inches, the resolution will be 2213 into 1689, the refresh rate will be 120Hz. Talking about the camera setup, the front cover 10 megapixel camera, the rear cover 12 megapixel wide angle 64 megapixel telephoto, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide time of flight. The periscope lens shape is also present. And in this video, let's hope for 15 likes